Today we shall discuss voice. Voice means to understand the meaning of a sentence. We use two forms of the verbs, that is voice. Voice is two types, active voice and passive voice. What is active voice? When subject itself do the work, we tell it active voice. When subject change into object and it works on subject, that is passive voice. Okay. Here I have written general rules to change active to passive voice. What have I written? Number one, object will be subject, then be verb according to tense and subject, then third form of the verb, that is the past participle form of the verb, then subject will be object adding by preposition. I have written here active. What have I written? I eat rice. First rule, what is there? Object will be subject. So rice in passive voice change into subject. Second rule, what? Then be verb according to tense and subject. In present tense, be verb is am, is, are. So after rice I have written here is. Third rules, what is written? Third form of the main verb. Eat, ate, eaten. Okay. Then fourth rule, what have I written? Subject will be object adding by preposition. Subject is object adding by preposition. I change into by, me. Here I have written on the board, if the subject is not noun, then pronoun is changed in following way. Active, passive I have written. In active, I change into me, we change into us, you change into you, he change into him, she change into her, and they change into them. Active voice, if these words, these pronouns will be changed into these pronouns. Okay. At first, we shall learn voice change according to tense. I have written here simple present tense. Active voice. You love me. What have I told you? First rule, object will be subject. Me change into I. Then I have told you there will be the be verb. After I will be am. In present tense, be verb is am, is, are. So after I we write am. Am is written here. Then love, past participle form of the verb. Love, loved written here. Then I have told fourth rule, by you. Subject will be object adding by. Number two example I have written here, he helps me. First rule, what is there? Object will be subject, me is written here, I. Then according to be verb and according to subject after I have written am. Then third rules, past participle form of the verb, main verb, help change into helped. Then fourth rule is there, subject will be object by adding by, he change into him. Third example, active voice. They give prize. The subject give verb price object. First rule only, according to the first rule, I have written price in subject place. Then number 2 rules, according to the tense and be verb, there will be, according to the tense and subject after price will be each. Then third rules, give, gave, given, third form of the main verb. Then I have written object adding by, they change into them. Now you will have to do the exercise of simple present tense. We shall do the exercise. What is first written? He likes you. According to the rules, object will be subject, so you will be written first. Then according to the tense, in present tense, be verb is am is are, and after subject here will be are. Then third form of the main verb like will be, okay. Then I have told you fourth rule, adding by, subject will be object, he change into him. Previously I have shown you what will be change of the active to passive. Second, Sumit draws a picture. So Sumit is subject, draws verb, a picture object. So object will be subject, a picture. Then according to tense, that is simple present tense or present tense, we use be verb am is are, after a picture will be is. Number third rules, draw, drew, drawn, and fourth rules, adding by, subject will be object. So here is written noun, so Sumit is written Sumit will be. Third exercise, mother writes a letter. Object will be subject, a letter. Okay. After a letter there will be verb, present tense be verb am is are, so after letter will be each. Third form of the main verb, write, wrote, written, written, written. Then object will be subject, subject will be object by adding by. So mother is noun here, we shall write direct mother here. If the subject is noun, there will not be change. If the subject is pronoun, there you will have to change. Number fourth exercise, they sell toys. So object will be subject again, toys, we shall write. Then according to be verb, according to tense, toys, after toys will be are. Then third form of main verb, sell, sold, sold. Then subject will be object adding by, they change into them. Number fifth exercise, she makes tea. So object is here tea, tea. According to the subject and tense, present tense is, tea is. Third form of make, made, made. Then by, she change into her. Okay. Now we shall discuss the voice change of simple past tense. Simple past tense the verb is was and were. Give an example: active, he did the work. Passive voice what will be? He, subject, did, verb, the work, object. Subject will be, object will be subject, so here is written the work. Then according to be verb, was, were, or was or were will be was. Okay. Then third form of main verb, do, did, done. Then subject will be object adding by written, and he change into him. Number 2 example: active, we played football. Object is subject, football. According to the be verb, here is written was. Then third form of the main verb, play, played, played. Then subject will be object adding by, we change into by us. Third example: active, father bought a car. Object will be subject, so I have written in passive place a car. Then be verb, according to be verb in past tense, was written. Then third form of main verb, bought. Then by father. I have told you, if the subject is noun, that noun will be written. If the subject is pronoun, what will be changed? I have shown you previously. Now we shall discuss the exercise of simple past tense. First exercise, what is written? The guard rang the bell. The guard rang the bell. So object will be subject. We shall write first the bell. Okay. Then according to the be verb, that is was and were. After the bell, what will be? The bell was. Then third form of main verb, ring, rang, rang. R-U-N-G, rang. Then subject will be object by adding by guard. Previously I have told you, if the subject is noun, there will not be change. Exercise number 2, she called us. She subject, called verb, as object. As will be subject. Then here will be as, when it will be subject, as will be changed into we. Then according to the subject and tense, we were, W-E-R-E, were. Then third form of main verb, call, called, called. Then subject will be object by adding by, she will be her. Third example, Abdul cleaned a room. Subject, object will be subject, so I shall write first a room. Then according to the be verb, was. Then cleaned, past participle form of the verb or third form of the verb. Then by, Abdul will be Abdul. Okay. Fourth example, they built a house. They built a house. What will be? A house will be first written, house, a house. After house, was or where will be was. Build will be by, they changing to them, adding by. Number 5, what shall we write? He killed a snake, suppose. He killed a snake. Okay. He killed a snake. So object will be subject. A snake, we shall write first. After snake, was or where will be was. Then third form of main verb killed, K-I-L-L-E-D, killed. Then adding by, we will write subject, he changing to him. Now we shall learn the voice change of simple future tense. Simple future tense. In simple future tense, we shall use be verb, will be, or shall be. First example, active. He will teach me. Me changing to I. Then according to the be verb in future tense, shall be will be here, and third form of the main verb, third form which is verb, main verb, teach, taught I have written, then I have written by, he changing to him. Second example, Rita will help me. Me changing to I. Then here is written according to the be verb, shall be will be shall be. Then help, main verb changing to help. Then we shall use by Rita. Third example, he will invite us. Us in passive voice will be we. Then be verb, we shall be I have written. Then third form of main verb, invited. Then by, object will be subject, he changing to him. Now we shall discuss the exercise of simple future tense. Reba will sing a song. Reba, a song with the object. At first we shall write subject place a song. Then according to the be verb will be. Then sing is the main verb. Sing, sang, sang will be. Then by adding Reba we shall write. Number 2. The teacher will teach English. Subject will be object. So English, object will be subject. So English will be written first. Then according to the be verb will be, shall be, will be here. Then third form of main verb, teach, taught. Okay. Then by adding we shall write subject. A song will be a song. Third example, they will play football. Their subject will play verb. Football is object. So first write football. football. Then be verb will be. Then play is the main verb, play past participle played. They change into name. They change into, by them will be. Soma will make tea. At first, object is subject, tea we shall write first. According to the be verb, we shall write tea will be. Okay. Third form of the main verb make, made, made will be. Then by, we shall write subject Soma. Number 5, I shall catch fish. So object is here fish. We shall write first fish. Then be verb will be, shall be, will be here. Then third form of main verb catch, caught will be. Then subject will be object adding by, I change into me. In this way, we shall discuss next another all the tenses. So you will have to follow the next part of the voice change.